Running out of fish in the freezer has been a good excuse for our first outing after more than a year stuck at home because of lockdowns. So Dad drove us to a fishing village for the weekend.
I wanted to eat fish. I wanted to buy fish. For this, I clean well my fridge.
My sisters and I were so excited that we could finally see the sea and take a bath. Well, this is me steering in disappointment at the muddy beach. No way was I going to put my feet in the water. I wonder what this family was thinking with the mud reaching knee height. The dirt all around was a real turnoff to make sandcastles. I guess we didn't understand when our parents said that it was a fishing village and not a beach resort that we were going to. Only Mom seemed happy. Doing silly things like swinging on a rope is Mom's way to tell the world that she's quite excited about something. It must have been the smell and sight of all those fish and boats. Being in a fishing village, guess what we had for our meals? Fish! Ordering food in these places was quite an experience on its own.
Volete degli altri gamberi fatti in maniera diversa? Li ho presi fatti steam, bolliti, li vuoi fatti in un altro modo? No? What is it?
Where the pictures did not help, we had to rely on Mom's sign language.
Aspetta. Okay, you have a...
This, for instance, means, I want grilled octopus. Julia didn't seem to have fun instead.
Fish today.
She does not like the fish at all. Mom's excitement reached the top when she found a place selling fish, which was just unloaded from the fishing boats.
Sono in uno dei posti che più amo al mondo, non per bellezza, ma perché c'è una delle cose che preferisco cucinare e mangiare, il pesce. E domani prepariamo insieme una lasagna di pesce.
Carini questi qua.
What a great occasion to buy super fresh fish and seafood at a very reasonable price. Squid, more squid, lots of shrimps, a big octopus, red snapper, my dad's favorite, a cuttlefish, I guess that's what it is, some crabs, and that should be enough. The freezer back home would not fit more than this.
Lasagna di pesce che non in forno, evidentemente. Tomorrow I think to do lasagna of fish.
Great service from the staff. The fish is carefully cleaned and individually packed with ice for convenient transportation. This trip was really satisfying. I hope Mom will make some videos for fish-based dishes. If you want to learn seafood and fish-based Italian dishes, watch this playlist. See you in the next episodes of Tony's Home, where every day is a sunny day. Mission accomplished. We can go back home.